Very happy evening to all my dear lovable students. This video is specifically for the students who have subscribed to our virtuals. You would have subscribed either 1 year batch or 270 days class or 90 days class, whatever may be. This is the schedule you are supposed to be followed. Last month we have launched group 1, group 2 and both the groups, and many students have subscribed, and I have committed to you that after every slot I will come in online and give the schedule for the next one. Actually, we have given the entire 10 slots on day number 1 itself. Those who have subscribed with us, the first 14 days would have been comes to an end. By this time, you should have completed Schedule 3, Cash Flow Statement, AS 145, AS 24 and 25 in Advanced Accounting, and Supply, Tax Rate for Composite and Mixed Supply, Levy and Collection of CGST and Composition Levy in IDT, my dear lovable students. Sir, the next one, the next schedule, what you are supposed to be completed is, the next 10 days is what the slot. The next 10 days, once you have already completed your slot number 1 of 14 days, then you are supposed to move to 10 days. Don't wait for my videos. Next 10 days, in Advanced Accounting, investment accounts read with AS 13. That is the problem area of the investment accounts you are supposed to be completed. Consolidation read with AS 21. Here we have already done with two things, my dear lovable students. Number 1, Schedule 3 and Cash Flow Statement. We are entering into big 2 chapters such as investment accounts and consolidation. Then AS 23 and 27, that is also part and parcel of the consolidation. And 15 and 29, this is liability-based standards, my dear lovable students, liability-based standards. In IDT, only one section you are supposed to be studied, which is exemption under section 11. If you come to G2, it is not going to be next 10 days. It is going to be next 7 days in G2. In that joint product by product, material and labor, a very small 3 topics has to be completed. And in SM, strategic analysis, sir, external environment should be completed. If you are in both the groups, sir, this is what the slot to be completed in both the groups. Next 10 days, you are supposed to complete the same Advanced Accounting and IDT and Audit and the FM Working Capital Management. Sir, when you are studying, this is what the target. Next 10 days, you should complete this many topic. Investment accounts as per AS 13, Consolidation 21, AS 23, 27, 15 and 29. This comes to 40 hours of classes in Advanced Accounting. And with regard to IDT exemption alone, 16 hours are there. So 40 plus 16, namak total 56 hours has to be completed within 10 days. So divided by 10 means nearly 5.5 hours. Since you will be hearing in 1.2 or 1.3, effectively 5 hours of classes per day will be coming. So 5 hours of classes plus 3 hours of revision will really save. And you know, this will cover 20% of Advanced Accounting and 20% of IDT. Next 10 days, that's what we are going to focus. That only we are going to focus, and we will be revising the first slot, that is part A of Advanced Accounting and IDT. With regard to G2, my dear lovable students, you will be covering JPBP, material and labor, which will be coming to 17 hours per day. And SM, you would have already completed chapter number 1. You are supposed to complete, sir, SM chapter number 2, which comes to 4 hours. Technically 21 hours only you are going to be complete within next 7 days. So 21 divided by 7 means nearly 3 hours to 4 hours only classes will come for you. Whatever topics you have studied in part A, those topics has to be revised. Those topics, from that topics you have to start writing assignment. What assignment I should do, sir, I will give today. For that only this video is there. And if it is both the groups, my dear lovable students, the same Advanced Accounting, IDT, what I have explained to you, and Audit and FM is the additional topic to be completed. Then what should be the strategy? Once you have completed slot number 1 in 14 days, for the next 10 days, my dear lovable students, This is the assignment schedule for group number 1. That from AS1, you are supposed to do 5 questions. From AS4, you should try these 5 questions. From AS5, you should try these 5 questions. AS24 and 25, these 5 questions. From preparation of financial statement, that is schedule 3, this 7 question you should try by your own. And AS3, that is cash flow statement, you should try this 8 question and case study and MCQ related to these part. That means 150 pages you should complete, my dear lovable students, if you are a group 1 student. How to study this? How to do this? For example, you already completed AS1, disclosure of accounting policy. You should read this question by your own and you have to answer for this, and you should try to check the answer what is there. That means in the next 10 days, you are supposed to complete this lot in advanced accounting and IDT. By that time, you are supposed to complete the assignment of advanced accounting plus IDT of part number A. This document 150 pages cover both part A of advanced accounting and part A of IDT. This has to be completed in the coming 10 days. Super fantastic to the core. Sir, for group number 2, sir, I have completed part A of costing plus part A of ESM. By the time when you are completing the next part, only 3 to 4 hours of classes you are having to see. The remaining time, this many questions, you are supposed to sit and try these questions from cost sheet, these questions from cost accounting system, these questions from process costing, these questions from chapter number 1 of the strategic management. Nearly 190 pages you are supposed to be completed. The compilation of all the 3 is what both the groups is all about. That means this is how you are supposed to prepare, my dear lovable students. When you are preparing the first slot, no assignment series will be there, only that area. When you are preparing the second slot, when you are completing the next 10 days in group number 1, that this topic you are supposed to be completed. For that, nearly 5 hours you have to be spent on the videos. Then 2 hours of the preparation of what you are learning, and nearly 2 hours of the part A cumulative revision. If you are doing like this, if you will be able to build one by one, 10 slots has been given to you, you can perfectly able to complete the classes and preparation also by the time. Otherwise, we'll be seeing only the classes. Preparation we won't be there. Sir, parallelly we are going to do both preparation and also the classes. Man, that's how you are supposed to be prepared. Where this document will be available, we are already having one group. So you join in that group called as the Virtuals group, the common group. Sir, there we will be posting these assignments and start seeing the second slot. Once the second slot is over, start seeing the third slot. I will start posting, sir, the assignment series one by one. Already it's June, my dear lovable students. If you are going to write in September, it's June, July and August. Really, the last 90 days, sir, you have to be very, sir, preparation should go in full swing. We'll meet at the appropriate time to update the coming next, sir, updation from our side. Take care of yourself. Start preparing. If you are not seeing videos regularly, sir, make a schedule and make it prepare, man. Thank you. Bye-bye.